Good morning or good afternoon, whenever you're listening to us. My name is Leo, and welcome back to episode 10 of Skills and Tales. Today, we're going to answer the question: is the claimant entitled to temporary total rate if he proceeds with the unauthorized surgery? This question was answered in the case law called Employer New York Black Car Operators, WCB number G367 8944, from August 26, 2025, with the date of the accident, October 27, 2023. So this claim was established for injuries to the left shoulder, right knee, neck, and lower back. Even the carrier's IME conceded the causality for the neck injury, and eventually the claimant underwent an anterior cervical discectomy, annuloplasty, and nucleus pulposus ablation surgery performed by the claimant's medical provider. But here's the problem: the surgery was unauthorized. Under New York's medical treatment guidelines, the procedure, specifically a percutaneous discectomy, was not approved. Despite this, the law judge awarded the claimant at the temporary total disability rate. The carrier objected, arguing that an authorized surgery cannot automatically raise disability to a total level. The board affirmed the decision, but not because the claimant underwent the surgery. Instead, they found that the claimant already had medical records supporting a total disability before the surgery date. The board made it clear: if there is no sufficient evidence of total disability before the surgery, awards cannot be directed at a total rate just because of an unauthorized operation. In fact, in a prior precedent, the board ruled that when a claimant is only partially disabled before an unauthorized surgery, awards should remain at partial even after the surgery. The board panel in this decision reasoned that had the claimant been partially disabled prior to unauthorized surgery, the argument could be made for reducing the awards after the surgery. So the takeaway: unauthorized surgery alone does not entitle a claimant to temporary total disability awards, and the carrier should make arguments to decrease awards if the claimant does not have medical evidence of total disability before the surgery. In this case, the board emphasized that just because someone has an unauthorized procedure performed, they are not automatically entitled to the total rate, and the carrier can argue for a decrease or a partial rate if there are medical records to support that. Thank you, and see you next month.